Hi friends, today I want to share with you my new powerful neck and shoulder massager. Came in this box. As you can see, it's practical, so the size is perfect to use in any place, like your home or in my work like me. So let's go see it. Inside is this bag, and here is the cable for charging. It's Type-C. And now, our massager. As I say, the size is perfect to practical use. You can use it in any place. This is like a resistant material. It's like baby blue or gray. Have this one for your arms and this so you can close it here in your body. You can use this massager for your necklace, your neck, your shoulders, your waist. You can use it in your legs too if you feel it here in this part, or you can use it for your arms, any part of your body that you need a massage. This product is perfect for that. This massager have two levels of intensity and two modes of massage, and you can enjoy it all of them with these controls. We have here the bottom of turn it on, the intensity, the movement, and this is for the heat because your massagers have the heat function too, so you can enjoy 2-hour massager when you are using this product. Well, first the cable. As you can see, the bottom have this little red light. That means that our massager is charging. This function of smart control with this make more easy the use of our massager. And I'm gonna put this secure by my back this way. So once our massager is charged, this light turns green and you can use it without the cable. So let me show you this. This part feels like a human hands. And I can feel how all my massager is still start to put it warm. This feels so comfortable. And with this smart control, you can modify all the functions of your massager. So as you can see, I can use it in my work without problems. So I think that is a great idea for a gift too, and an excellent product in your life if you need it. So I highly recommend it. See you.